about the three groups, that is herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. So according to the eating habits of animals, it is divided into three groups. We have learned, we have discussed as of now, children, do you remember? So let us, and also we have discussed how animal eats food. How an animal eats its food depends on the type of food it, and also the animal's mouth is suited for the type of food it eats. Okay. So we have discussed about few animals. So let me continue the lesson with the few more animals. So let us see, children, what are the eating habits of these animals and insects and all. So let me continue the lesson here. You can turn to page number 32, children. You can see the pictures also here. So animals like rabbits, rats, squirrels have long front teeth to bite the nuts, hard nuts and fruits. Okay, they chew so hard that nuts and fruits gradually disappear. So this is called gnawing the food. So gnaw means what? Gnaw means to bite something repeatedly. To bite something repeatedly. You can see the pictures here. So these animals have long front teeth to bite hard nuts and fruits. Okay, these animals are also called rodents. These animals are also called rodents. So the animals which bite the food repeatedly. So that is called gnawing the food. Okay, children. And the next is like snake. Some other animals like frog, lizard, chameleon do not have teeth to chew their food. So what it will do? You can see the picture here. So they have sticky tongue. They have sticky tongue. So to catch the insect which gets stuck on their tongue and it rolls back into their mouth. So like that it will catch its food there. Okay, with the help of the sticky tongue. And the next is dogs and cats. So dogs and cats usually you can see in your houses also. So these animals lap up the liquids like milk and water with their tongue. You can see in the picture here. It will lap up their milk and water with the help of their tongue there. And the next is insects like butterfly, and then butterflies, honeybees and mosquitoes have long hollow thin tube in place of a mouth. Okay, in place of a mouth you can just observe and then you can see. So it works like a straw there, children. So the butterflies uses its tube-like mouth to suck nectar from the flowers, even honeybees also. And then whereas mosquitoes suck the blood from other animals. And then what about a spider then? Spiders, it will spin the sticky web to catch their prey. And they never get caught in their own web there. So like this, it uses the sticky web to catch the insects. Okay, children? So like this, these are the different eating habits of animals. I hope you have understood, children. So let me move on to the next topic, that is food chain. So just you can open your textbook and see page number 33. You can see the picture here. All animals depend on plants for their food. Is it true, children? All animals depend on plants directly or indirectly. So some animals eat plants, some eat plant eating animals. So we can say animals depend on plants directly or indirectly, because some animals eat plant eating animals, like wild animals eat deer, sheep or cow, etc. So like this, even they are also dependent on plants. So we can say that animals are dependent on plants directly or indirectly. We can say that one. So children, this forms a short chain between the food and the animal and is called food chain. Okay, this forms a short chain between the food and the animal and is called food chain. A food chain shows the order in which animals eat plants and then other animals eat them. You can see in the picture here, it begins with the plant and ends at animals. So you can see here, for example, grass, and then the grasshopper, frog and snake is here. So the grasshopper eats the grass and the grasshopper is eaten by the frog and the frog is eaten by the snake here. So like this, it forms a short chain between the food and the animal, which is called food chain. Okay, children, you can just see here. So I hope you have understood, children. So how the food chain begins with the plant and ends at the animal. You can just see in the picture here. This is called food chain. And food chain shows the order in which animal eat plants and then other animals eat them. Okay. So you can just see in the picture here. You can see the arrow mark here. Okay. I hope you have understood, children. So in the next class, let me continue the remaining part. Okay. I hope you have understood. Read the lesson, children. You can just see the pictures also. Okay. We will discuss the exercise in the next class, and the remaining part also I will complete in the next class. Okay. Thank you.